Oh no, my cell phone is not ringing. I'm not getting any messages. I can't hear my voice calls. Something is going on. What can I check? Slide the top screen down 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times so you can see the names. Make sure that airplane mode is grayed out. Make sure mobile data is colored. Make sure that you have volume, which is here at the bottom. It shouldn't be grayed out. If it's colored, it means you're getting messages at this sound level. You can go up or down, and make sure it doesn't have it crossed out, because if it is, you'll still get calls, but you will not hear a sound. So try putting it this way. So mainly those 3 things should do it.